Hello everyone, welcome to my tapping channel. Today we're going to be doing some tapping on anxiety, and this is to help you find what is actually causing the anxiety in the first place. My experience personally with anxiety is that it can come up from nowhere. Maybe you've had it on and off slightly for a few months, and then all of a sudden it just hits you. Left of field. It feels like it's left of field. And sometimes you just don't really know what the anxiety is about, but it is about something, and tapping can help you find out why it's there. Before we start tapping though, my name is Sandra. I am the author of Tapping into Abundance, using EFT tapping and the law of attraction to change your mindset and turn your life around. And if you want to do just that, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. I also offer one-to-one coaching to help you with any part of your life where you're stuck, feeling self-doubt, feeling like you just can't move forward because there's all of these beliefs in the way. Maybe you don't know what all of them are, but you're just sick and tired of it. So I do offer one-on-one coaching. Before I coach anyone though, I like to meet them first. So I do offer a free 30-minute clarity session where we can have a chat and I can help you get clear about what your blocks are and help you navigate your way around what's the next best move for you regarding removing those blocks. There's a link in the description field below this video, and you can also find the link on my website under my services, and the website is mysterywitchschool.com. And for those of you who just like to learn a little bit more about these things, I have a free masterclass called How to Heal Your Shadow Through Balancing Your Energy Centers. And that video talks about the inner work, the shadow work, and in relation to your energy centers, otherwise known as the chakras, and how it affects your body and energy at those 7 levels. There's a link in the description field below this video, and you can also find it on my website under my freebies tab on mysterywitchschool.com. So now we're going to talk a little bit about anxiety, and I'll give you my experience of it. I have experienced anxiety on and off a number of times throughout my life, and when I've experienced it, often it's to do with something obviously that's going on in my life that is creating fear, because anxiety essentially at the end of the day is about fear. Something is frightening, something is scary. And it might not necessarily be real. It could be perceived as being scary or assumed as being scary, and it can come from actual beliefs. And anxiety can also be connected to anger as well. So often the feeling of anxiety could be something we're angry about. So when you're approaching anxiety and you're not quite sure what's causing it, have a look and feel, am I angry about something? Am I frustrated about something? Is something not working the way I want it to work? Is something not happening the way I want it to happen? And do I feel a little helpless and a little hopeless about it? And I feel like I just can't get to the bottom of it. Because anxiety, when it's in your body, can manifest in different ways. And I've had this experience with different ways that it's manifested. It can be stomach upsets. I've certainly experienced those. It can be insomnia. I've experienced that. It can just be that general shaking in your body, the feeling of adrenaline and cortisol going through your body. It can even manifest as, full-on panic attacks. I've had that experience too. And you really do feel like you're dying. You feel like there's something terribly wrong, and it feels like, oh, what's wrong with my body? But actually it's coming from the psyche. And getting to know the psyche, getting to do that inner work is really where the healing of what I found personally and what I believe is where the healing actually starts with this. And tapping has helped me with anxiety because it's helped me understand what's causing it, what the beliefs are that are causing the anxiety. So what I recommend, and this is what I do for myself and what I recommend for any of my coaching clients who might be experiencing anxiety from time to time, is to use a journal and write down what you're thinking and what you're feeling, and to also use some tapping. So I'm going to show you some tapping now, and you can tap along with me to help you connect to the feeling of anxiety and also to find out what is the real cause. What's the belief underneath here, or a number of beliefs? There might be a number of them that are really front and center of causing this fear and maybe associated anger along with it. So karate chop point, even though I have this feeling of anxiety, I don't like it. I'm okay. Even though I have this feeling of anxiety, I feel it in my body, and it's very uncomfortable. I'm okay. Even though I feel this feeling of anxiety, it's frustrating. I may even feel some anger. I'm going to honor how I feel anyway. Now tapping on the points. This feeling of anxiety. This feeling of anxiety. This feeling of anxiety. Feeling the feeling of anxiety. Feeling the fear. Feeling this feeling of fear. Feeling this feeling of fear. It's frustrating. Feeling the frustration. Feeling the energy in my body. Feeling it in my nervous system. This feeling of fear. Asking myself, will it ever go away? I want it to go away. I don't like it. And it's not helpful. This feeling of anxiety. Feeling the feeling of fear. Feeling the feeling of frustration. Feeling the feeling of fear. I might be angry too. I don't like it. I don't like how it feels in my body. But it's just my nervous system. Chemicals running through my nervous system. Where is the fear coming from? What am I afraid of? What's not safe? What's not safe? The anxiety is telling me something. What if I listen to it? See what it has to say. What is it saying? Is it telling me I can't do something? That something bad's going to happen? Something bad could happen? A what if scenario? Is it worry? Something I can't predict? Concerned about something? What is it? What's concerning me? What am I concerned about? And what if it's safe to know what I'm concerned about? What if I can know why I feel anxious and be safe at the same time? What if I can feel the anxiety, knowing it's just chemicals running through my nervous system, and be safe at the same time? I don't have to run from it. What is it trying to tell me? What's it saying? It's not safe, it says. It's not safe, it says. What's not safe? Because once I find it, and it's just a belief, and it's not real, even if it feels real, I can change it. Taking a deep breath and letting it out. So this tapping is to help you discover what's making you anxious, because sometimes it's hard to pinpoint exactly what it is. It can be something that's so subconscious that you just don't know. Things could even be great in your life. You could be, doing really well in various different areas of your life, but there's something that feels missing, something that's not quite right. And the tapping can help you find out what that something actually is. And once you find out what it is, what the belief is it a worry? Are you projecting into the future and predicting the future here? What are you worried about? Tap on what you're worried about. Just tap on, I'm worried about this. I'm worried about something. I'm afraid of something. If you find out what it is that you're afraid of. Sometimes it can be something that's just quite existential. It could actually be that you're trying to do some changes in your life. You're trying to step into your true empowered self, and there's a part of you that's telling you that you can't do it, that you're not allowed, or it's not okay, or the divine doesn't want you to have it easy, it doesn't want you to have the things you want. These things can cause anxiety because they can be beliefs that you're not really aware of. And even if you think you've tapped on them before, listen to what your subconscious mind says and what you feel, and there may be just something slightly different about it. So when you tapped on something last time, it might have been, I'm not allowed to be who I know myself to be. I'm not allowed to step into that version of me. I really want to be the confident me. And whilst you may have tapped on that, there might be another belief that's very similar to that, like it's not okay for me to step into who I truly am. They're different beliefs, slightly different, nuanced beliefs to the subconscious mind. To the conscious mind, the logical mind, they seem the same, but the subconscious treats every word differently. And okay is different to allowed. They don't mean the same thing. So really take notice of what your subconscious mind is telling you about what's making you anxious, and as soon as you find it, tap on that belief a few times. It's not safe. Allow yourself to feel the fear of it, and then do the reframe at the end of your tapping, where what if I can achieve such and such? What if I can do such and such? What if I'm able to do such and such and be safe at the same time? And tap on that reframe to help change that belief. As I said at the beginning, if you want to work one-on-one with me doing coaching, I do offer that. I do offer that free clarity session first. So there's a link in the description field below this video for how you can book that. And if you want to do some tapping on your own, I do have a tapping course. It's called the Wheels of Empowerment, and it combines some tapping with the chakra system and various beliefs at each chakra level that will be maybe holding you back financially, holding you back in love, holding you back from truly expressing who you are and being who you are in the world. Beliefs that are stopping you from feeling connected spiritually. Beliefs that are stopping you from even being able to look into the future and have an idea of what it is you truly want to do with your life. All of these things are connected to the chakras. It's called the Wheels of Empowerment. There's a link in the description field below this video. Now, if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next video.